Hello, everyone. In our previous lessons, we learned some basic knowledge about direct current circuits through Task 1, verifying circuit operation states, and Task 2, verifying Ohm's law. We will be studying Task 3, installing a miniature bulb circuit. This will further enhance our understanding of the fundamental principles of direct current circuits and common electrical knowledge. 3.1, Task Assignment and Analysis. This task involves installing a miniature bulb circuit, allowing you to grasp the components of the circuit through the physical connection of real components. 3.2, Task Objective. By installing the miniature bulb circuit, you will assess the quality of the training equipment used, comprehend the schematic diagram of the training, and successfully energize and debug the circuit. 3.3, Implementation Methods and Steps. Installing the miniature bulb circuit will be scored on a scale of 100 points. 1. Assessing the condition of all training equipment, scoring criteria, 10 points. A. Check if the battery voltage is 3 volts. This can be done using a voltmeter to measure the voltage across the battery terminals. The condition of the battery can be determined by observing the voltmeter reading. B. To verify if the switch can be closed and opened properly. This can be assessed by manually operating the switch and observing its flexibility of operation. C. Check if the filament of the miniature bulb is functioning properly. It can be determined through visual inspection of the bulb filament to identify any occurrences of filament breakage. 2. Connect the miniature bulb circuit according to the training schematic diagram. Scoring criteria, 20 points. The diagram consists of 3 components: power source, E, switch, S, and miniature bulb, XL. These components are interconnected one by one using wires to form a complete circuit. You should be able to draw this schematic diagram. 3. Installation precautions, scoring criteria, 50 points. A. Ensure proper component placement, with the switch in the open state, 20 points. B. Components and wires must be securely and reliably connected, 20 points. C. Practice safe and ethical operations, 10 points. Let's follow my guidance and work together to complete the connection of the miniature bulb circuit. Firstly, observe the practical platform and arrange everything logically. Install the power source, switch, and bulb in the appropriate positions one after the other. Next, check the switch to ensure it's in the open position. Then, starting from the positive terminal, connect the wires individually to form a complete circuit. Finally, double-check for any loose connections on the terminals and make sure the components are in the correct order. This way, the installation of the miniature bulb circuit is completed. Next, we can proceed with the power-on test. Scoring criteria, 20 points. First, by closing switch S, the power is connected, and we observe that the miniature bulb lights up. Let's analyze this. When switch S is closed, the battery can supply a continuous energy flow to the bulb through the completed circuit, causing it to light up. Next, open switch S and you'll see the miniature bulb goes off. Here's the analysis. When switch S is open, the circuit is interrupted, and the battery cannot provide energy to the miniature bulb through the circuit, resulting in the bulb going off. Lastly, after completing the installation and testing, remember to clean up the area, return tools to their places, and leave everything organized. Next, let's expand our hands-on experience a bit. As shown in the diagram, let's think about how to light up 2 miniature bulbs. Please draw the circuit diagram. Let's analyze the situation. A light bulb emits light because it has a current passing through it, acquiring electrical energy and gaining power. Therefore, if we want both miniature bulbs to emit light, we need to find a way for both bulbs to receive energy. So, as shown in the diagram, we can connect the 2 miniature bulbs in series, allowing the energy to pass through each bulb one after the other. This way, both miniature bulbs will emit light. Alternatively, as shown in the diagram, we can connect the 2 miniature bulbs in parallel, allowing the energy to pass through both bulbs simultaneously. This will also make both miniature bulbs emit light. 3.4, Supporting knowledge and skills. Let's look at the miniature bulb, a type of tungsten filament lamp composed of materials like glass bulb, filament, and metal. It was invented by the British inventor Swan and the American inventor Edison in 1897. It operates based on the interaction of atoms with energy, where the transition of electrons' orbits releases additional energy in the form of photons. Now that we have completed the explanation of Task 3, installing a miniature bulb circuit, let's take a moment to review the key points covered in this section. A. Learn how to assess the condition of training equipment. B. Master the step-by-step process of installing a miniature bulb circuit. C. Understand the method for debugging an installed miniature bulb circuit. That concludes this lesson. Thank you, everyone.